La 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 la. Wow.
He got water at my face.
Squeeze it harder. That's perfect.
My arm is too tired now.
Oh, your arm is too tired? Why don't you try the other hand? And try this hand. There you go. Whee! That's really good, Nina. And birds need showers just like people. He sings in the shower. La 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 la.
But the birds have to be shiny and clean.
Uh-huh.
I guess Onnie's going to be shiny and clean soon. This hand is tired out, so I am using the other hand.
Oh, okay, that arm's tired. Wow. Look, he's going to clean his beak.
On that scratchy thing?
Yeah, on the scratchy thing. Look at that. Huh? That's how he keeps his beak clean and trimmed.
Now that hand's tired.
No, that hand's tired. Okay.
I take turns with my other hand.
Okay.
Oh,
Show me your dimples. Does Onni have dimples? No, he doesn't, does he? He's got fluffy Munchin chop cheeks, though. Happy feathers that go up on his cheeks. La 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 la.
Why do you have to spray him with this?
So he can take a shower or bath because he's a baby and he's scared of the big shower that people take. So we do it this way.
That sounds good. His beak looks shiny.
Is it pretty?
Then he's going to be a shiny bud. He's going to be a shiny and clean bud thing.
Boy, that's a lot of work, Nina. I know that's really hard on your little tiny hands and arms. They must be so tired.
I take turns with my hands when my hands get frustrated.
Do you think he's almost done, or?
I think he's done right now.
Oh, okay. Oh, maybe not. Look.
He
Woo!
doesn't feel like he's done.
I think he's having fun. He's getting so clean, isn't he?
You want him to be clean and shiny?
Yeah. It makes his feathers healthy. Because you know what? Birds outside, they take showers in the rain. Did you know that?
Some birds do that.
Yeah. Outside.
But Onni showers the best. Does Onni showers the best?
Uh-huh. But all the little birds outside, they come out in the rain and they take a shower just like this. Did you know that?
Why don't birds use soap and water?
Why don't they use soap and water? Only people use soap and water. Animals just like water. Soap is not good for
But
animals.
cats don't like water.
No,
One
cats.
time, our cat, Shadow got into the garage and he was trying to run away. And then Daddy was trying to give him a bath. And then he got scratched. Daddy got scratched from the kitty when he gave the kitty a bath. That's so funny.
Yeah, it is.
That was for real.
Sometimes there's special soaps for animals, like there's doggy shampoo, and they can have that, but...
We have animal shampoo.
You do?
Daddy used it for Shadow when he got in the garage.
Oh. But birds, no soap, no shampoo.
Or
Stained.
animal
No, he can't have animal shampoo. It's dangerous.
It might kill bugs.
Yeah. Because when birdies are outside, they use the rain. They don't use soap.
Because soap is dangerous for bugs.
Yes.
This is so fun.
I think he's done. I don't know. What do you think?
Are you done, Birdy? Are you done yet?
He is. Now we need to dry him off, don't we?
It's up.
Ready? We are going to make a birdie burrito, aren't we?
Uh-huh.
Hello. You ready? For the birdie burrito. Ready? Oh, there he is.
That's so cute.
And we dry him off.
Mm-hmm.
And what's that do? Now, look, he's all clean
And shiny.
and shiny.